And hello friends, my name is Abhishek Kumar Srivastava. Today we are going to do the topic cube and cube roots of subject maths of class 8th. So we are proceeding with the questions. Suppose the first question is 1331. We have to find its perfect cube. So by prime factorization we will make a group of 3, and if it becomes a group of 3 then it will be a perfect square. So here we are dividing it by 11, so it is coming out to be 121. Again it will be divisible by 11, so it is coming out to be 11. 11 ones are 11. So this is the cube of 11. So its cube root is 11, 1331. So I think you all might have understood this question. We are going to understand this question once more. We are going to do the prime factorization and make a group of 3 instead of 2 that we are doing in squares. So in cubes we are making a group of 3. So here was the number 11 dividing by 11, so it is coming out to be 121, which is again divisible by 11, so it is coming out to be 11. Then 11 ones are 11, so it is cube of 11, so its cube root is 11. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood this question. So we are proceeding to the next question. So the next question here is, what is the smallest number by which a certain number 1024 should be divided to make it a perfect cube? So we will do the prime factorization and we will divide it, and we will see whether the group of 3 is made or not, and if there is a missing group having a number, so we will divide by that number, and that will be the smallest number that should be divided to make it a perfect cube. So we are proceeding. This is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 512. This is again an even number, again divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 256, which is again divisible by 2. So again we are dividing by it, so it is coming out to be 128. Again we are dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 64. Again dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 32. So again it is an even number, so again dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 16. So this is again an even number, so again dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 8. Again we are dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 4. Again dividing by 2, so 2 to the 4. Again dividing by 2, so it is coming out to be 1. So this is our prime factorization. So we'll make a group of 3, so it will be, this is a group of 3, so it's 2. Again it's a group of 3. Again it's a group of 3. So here a 2 remains, which is not having a group. So this is the smallest number by which if we will divide, then we will get a perfect cube. So dividing 1024 by 2, so it is coming out to be 512. So 512 is the perfect cube, and the perfect number will be 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So it is cube of 8. Cube of 8 is 112. So the perfect cube will be 8, and the smallest number that should be divided to make it a perfect cube, that is 2, because it is not having a group of 3. So here we are going to understand this question once more. Our question is, what is the smallest number that should be divided, by which this number should be divided to make it a perfect cube? So we will proceed by the prime factorization and we will make a group of 3, and if we get and we get a missing number, then we will divide it, which is not having a group of 3, then we will divide by that number, and that will be our answer. That will make it a perfect cube. Also we will find the cube root of it. So here our question given is 1024. So since it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, and 2 is the smallest prime number. We are going to start with the smallest prime number in doing the prime factorization. So it is coming out to be 512. Again it is an even number, so again it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 256. 256 is again an even number, so it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 128. Now again it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 64. Again it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 32, which is again an even number. So again divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 16. Again divisible by 2, coming out to be 8. Again divisible by 2, coming out to be 4. Again divisible by 2, coming out to be 2. And 2 ones are 2. So here we will make a group of 3 of these 2's. So this is the first 3, this is the next 3, and this is again the next 3. So we will taking 2 from each group, but here a 2 remains alone, and this is not having a group of 3. So we will divide by this, and this will be the smallest number by which we will divide this number to make it a perfect cube. So 1024, 1 divided by 2, it is coming out to be 512. So 512 is the perfect cube. And what is that number? So that will be 2 into 2 into 2, taking 2 from each group. So it is 8, and if we do cube of 8, it will come out to be 512. So our cube root is 8. So I think you all might have understood this question. So we are proceeding to the next question. So here a number is given 4, and we have to cube it, and we have to find its cube. So it will be 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, so 64 is the answer. So again 13 is there, and we have to do its cube. So how we will do? 13 into 13 into 13. So 13 into 13 is coming out to be 169, and it is multiplied by 13. So 3 9s are 27 to carry, 3 6 are 18 to 20 to carry, 3 1s are 3 to 5, and it will be 9 6 1. So it will be 9 7 9 11 1 carry and 2. So it will be 2197. So this is our answer. The cube of 13 is 2197. So this is our answer. We are doing the cube of 13. So we simply multiply 13 3 times. So it will be 13 into 13 into 13, which is coming out to be 1297. So I think you all might have understood this, finding the cubes. So now we are going to find the smallest number which should be added to make it a perfect cube. So we are proceeding with the question. So our question is, two 662. This is our question. So this is the number given to us, and we have to find the smallest number which should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. So here we are dividing, since it is an even number, so it is divisible by 2, so it is coming out to be 1331. It is divisible by 11, so it is coming out to be 121. Again it is divisible by 11, so it is coming out to be 11. Again it is divisible by 11, so it is coming out to be 1. So it is cube of 11. into 2. These are the factors. So there are missing 2 2's. So we will multiply it by 2 2's. So it will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So it will make a cube of 11 into cube of 2. So it will be the cube of 22. So what is the smallest number that should be added to it to make it a that should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube? That is 4. So this is our answer. And what is that perfect cube root? That is 22. 22 cube of 22. So I think you all might have understood this question. So we are proceeding to the next question. So here we have to find, so it is 729. We have to find the cube root of 729. So by prime factorization we are going to start. So since it is an odd numbers, it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 12 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So again it is divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 81. Again it is divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 27. Again it is divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 9. Again it is divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this is our answer. So we are making a group of 3. So this is the first 3 and this is the next 3. So it is 3 and this is also 3. So it is coming out to be 3 into 3 and that is 9. So it is a cube of 9. So its cube root is 9. This is our answer. Cube of 9 is 729. So this is our answer, finding the cube root. So we are going to understand this question once more. 729, we are finding it by prime factorization. So since it is an odd number, it is divisible by 3. So it is coming out to be 243. Again it is an odd number, it is divisible by 3. It is coming out to be 81. Again it is divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 27. Again it is divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 9. Again divisible by 3, so it is coming out to be 3, and 3 1s are 3. So we are making a group of 3. So this is the first 3 and this is the next 3. So taking 3 from each, so it is 3 into 3, that is 9. So it is a cube root of 9. We are cubing 9, then we are getting 729. So this is our answer. So I think you all might have understood these questions. So please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.